Dave on the keys.
Like
KCV.
Yo. Some of these niggas is competitive, but seeing these weak niggas is so repetitive. Flow like medicine, flow like medicine. I flow like medicine. Tell them they should get up, stand out. Tell them CV the man out. Tell them I just wrote a jam about fashion. I'm laughing, homie, you swag jacking. I never left, but I'm back in. I got better since back then. Ain't no need for bragging, but I back it up like trucks that make that beat sound. Niggas know that they gon' show love whenever he round. She down to get it poppin'. No nigga, I ain't stopping until I sign that dotted line. I shine, I'm cool, I'm different. I just told my girl that I'm all about the dividends. I just told these haters when I blow they gon' be sensitive. I just told my mama, yeah, I rap, I'm about to win this shit. And I'ma get a house before I end this shit. Pin to the pad, intercourse, I get intimate. And the little kid amount of bars is so infinite. Niggas know my flow is so infinite.
Look, I didn't mean to make a heart stop, make a mama's heart drop. Call the cops, I'm going in, G. Chuck told me that my shit not. Byron said I'm a soul robber, lady heart throbber. She smoked the A for me, proceeded popping purple pills with pretty pictures of rosaries and bow ties. Telling the low lies, committing no crimes, spitting out all my rhymes, losing time and the mind. Funeral no cries, just black bow ties and yellow roses, stating your life was hopeless and that was bogus. She was just sick of that, never lose hope shit. Murder hero hit, and more importantly, she started snorting me. Sniff that, pass that, quit that, rehab. Kanye the dropout of the drug scene. OD'd on Uncle Dave beats and 3-1-0 beats. He found her with slits in the wrists and a wire for a necklace. Hands on my headphones, looking at the sun. Died with an iPod, listening to Kent James and Sleazy, my God.
Yeah.
3-1.
Check it. Hey yo, haters tryna block like green squares. I don't care, they all sound the same like knife snares. Wonder why I get so many stares, cause these niggas truly ain't prepared for my savoir-faire. It's not fair, that's what they shouting. They like I don't wanna die here like Dennis Rodman. And get to plotting on schemes to get to the level I'm in. Only MC to raise degrees and lower self-esteems when I'm rhyming. Pancake heavy weights like I'm plowing over linemen, making fools fall in love. You can call me Frankie Lyman. I'm a short dude with a huge attitude. Serving dudes, give me tips, I deserve gratitude. Fuck it, I'ma flood your hood like Baton Rouge, then take your cheese, something like Ratatouille. Fake friends, yeah, I had a few, but I'm still the same dude on the 33rd latitude. Freestyle off the top of the dome. Nigga with an attitude and C-Sands home in Westchester. Y'all best to back up before you get smacked up or get racked up. I don't act up, I do this shit for real. Niggas can't deal with the steel. I hold it like a pill in your mouth. I'm so south. I mean blah 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 blah.
K-mak.
Yo, it's the West Coast takeover. Time's up, breaks over, straight cobra. How I spit venom through these mics. Show you right, yeah I'm right-handed I can fight. Snuff you out in my nightstand, leave on a bite. That's just a little warning, but I ain't the violent type. See, I'm hotter than the summer and I'm colder than the night. What kind of night? Alaskan nights, yeah, it's really cool there. I'll take you shivering, icicles in your hair. Who better? You better? Please don't go there. This a battle, look ammo, lyrical warfare. You better beware of them weak major boys, cause we about to make noise till your hearing is destroyed. Nigga, we true bosses, yeah, true bosses, like D-boys. That mean we're self-employed. Freestyling off the top of my head, like Chuck said. You see me? Chuck the Deuce.
C-Sand in the building, yo. I'm a 6'3" MC, made from a different grade. Go ahead and kill yourself, nigga, I dig the grave. Go through my rhyme book, homie, and pick a page. The beat outline and chalk, bring the yellow tape. It's a murder scene, autopsy, cause I'm too cocky. Wanna learn, watch me, but you use a lame-o. I expect the same-o while I'm moving through the game, just like Drano. You stand out like an anorexic waist, so I'm moving at a pace to give Wayne a foot race. These dudes just another face in the crowd, put a red nose on them so you see that they clowns. Bow down to the God MC, hit a hunger in the flow, hard work every week. While you sit back and wait on the limelight, I'm going hard every day just to take mine.
Yeah, let me talk my shit. 2000 plus 8, yeah, we on that shit. How the hell you come up with some shit like this? Was you high when you wrote? No, dog, I just spit. Yeah, I took notes as a kid. When I'm grown, I'ma make sure I'm the wealthiest. With all this fast food, with this healthy shit. Come and ride on my spaceship and count my chips. Jerry Jones tonight, baby, we on stars. Bentleys and Phantoms, nigga, we on cars. We on another planet, nigga, we on Mars. Came into the rap game, gave it CPR. You see these kicks too fresh to ever be stale. You saying that I'm cocky, well, I can't tell. If Cloud9 is heaven, then this can't be hell. My life's in vogue, I'm waiting to exhale. Louis Vuitton lenses and the cashmere sweater. D&G jeans, you know I can do it better. My style lasts forever, just like a chain letter. On the futuristic shit, boy, I'm a trendsetter. Peace.
Take over. 08 New West Coast niggas. Hey, hold up. We ain't done.
Yo, and it only gets better. I put that on my life. 3-1 last letter is doing shit right. The way I sever mics, have you and your brothers faces scrunched up, smiling, looking at each other like, oh shit, this knucker need to get discovered. He's a lethal weapon, hip hop, Danny Glover. You see the color purple if you thought down my lines, cause once it's red, it's like it blew out your mind, blew out your spine. Bodies paused, paralyzed, posterized, eyes parallel to my waistline, ducking on niggas, showing all my skills. Tim ducking on niggas, make the fundamentals kill. Dry niggas trying to dip in my well, but I stop them from getting the juice like Khalil. Looking at my watch, it's time to make the planet rock like Bambot. Meet me on top, I'm hot, won't stop till the tick tock top. Go shit, nigga, something on my cop. Sony video, give a little something video. Pull up your pants, kid, got no time to sag. The realest niggas out and I ain't trying to brag. Y'all still up in the hood, I'm doing shows in Japan. Hop out the jet in France, international jet lag. What? I'm still American, boy. Charges and Chevelles, them American toys. Shopping sprees on Fairfax, express my joy. No drugs involved, I'm still the dope boy. Mommy, I'm sorry, I'm simple like Atari. I hate school, I'd rather go ride a Ferrari. I'm shining, see them space lights when I do it. Sleeping in Kid James, it's the alien music we make.
KCB in the mother place to be. Like, arrest me, UCOP, and I be chillin' in the cell playing PSP, and I'm PSC, who now with ODD. I gave you 1 3 times, now you owe me 3, and I'm KCV, Mr. Customized G, and greatly he flow crazy. 93, but my girlfriend was born in the 80s, so that's what the hell I call the 80s baby. So baby, God damn, I drive you crazy. Have you listened to Customized greatly lately?
It's a feast when I step on the beat, bring the heat to the track like a hoe in the street. Bow down on these beats, I'm a child down. You lame niggas just made for the background. Broke rappers, dirtier than downtown. My town, Inglewood City, what I rep now. Cut from a different cloth, grade A material. Running through the streets of LA like Imperial. I'm the general when war's on the front line. Going hard in the paint like crunch time. These niggas all talk something like interviews. They break like interlude when the drummer coming to. They side, screaming that they ride. Then they hop in the ride, putting it in drive. Never lying in your rhyme, stay true to yourself. That's the reason most rappers get put on the shelf. I'm deaf when it come to these lame cats with the same raps, claiming that they bust gats and all that. We don't believe you, you need more people. Can't do it like we do, niggas don't even see you on stage, rocking them shows, talking about fresh clothes in your bummy wardrobe. Cruising like time on impossible missions, cause I'm pimping the coalition. No crack in the kitchen, women all stripping, they listen to clothes missing. My mission with a petition, have a flow so sickening. Slow it down till you catch my drift. Got a body but a flow, these bars I lift. So it's a blessing, got a talent I can manage, and my status is imbalanced due to rap game famine. Got a broaden my horizon, no more fairy tale lying like which car I'm driving, cause my business being minded. Yep, I'm staying true to me. No matter what they do, their stories a lie. Like D12, they missing proof. But I'm speaking my life on these beats. Hear the cries from the streets, hear the stress when I speak. Gotta open up your ears, gotta see with your eyes that this life attract me. Yeah, you run your own life from the start to the finish. That my plan is a business. Every word, every sentence to the game is diminished, nigga.